Hello and welcome back to Iraqi Dinar News Updates, your trusted source for everything related to the Iraqi currency market. We've got an astonishing update today. The Iraqi dinar has officially floated and surged in value to $0.25. Just recently, it was trading around $0.01, and now, with the float in motion, the currency is gaining rapid momentum. Investors are reacting swiftly. Experts are analyzing the move, and people everywhere are wondering, what does this mean for Iraq and its future? To begin, let's clarify what a floating currency means. When a currency floats, its value is no longer controlled or pegged by a central authority. Instead, it fluctuates based on supply and demand, just like an auction. This is a major shift for the Iraqi dinar, which has historically been fixed by the Central Bank of Iraq to maintain a controlled value. Now, the dinar is open to market dynamics, and the market responded fast. With the float in effect, the dinar's value jumped dramatically to $0.25 against the US dollar. This leap has global implications. Iraq's decision to take this route wasn't sudden. Over recent years, the country has undertaken deep economic reforms, modernizing its banking system, embracing digital payments, and attracting foreign investments through international agreements. These reforms restored confidence in Iraq's financial systems, paving the way for this bold move. This development reflects more than just currency appreciation. Iraq has boosted oil output, maintained inflation at manageable levels, and significantly increased its foreign reserves. These factors support a stronger, more responsive currency. A floating dinar brings transparency and aligns Iraq more closely with global financial systems. Investors worldwide are now taking Iraq's economic trajectory more seriously. At $0.25 per IQD, long-term holders of the currency are finally seeing potential returns that once seemed distant. This value shift is a signal of Iraq's growing financial stability. However, it's essential to remain cautious. Currency markets are volatile and can shift quickly due to economic policy changes or geopolitical events. For everyday Iraqis, the stronger dinar may offer some relief. It enhances purchasing power, which could mean lower prices for essentials like food, fuel, and electronics. Import costs may drop, potentially improving living standards. But it's vital that these benefits reach all layers of society, not just the affluent. Continued economic balance and inclusive reform are key to ensuring long-term success. Now you might wonder, how did this incredible increase happen so quickly? The truth lies in strategic preparation. Iraq has been quietly building its financial reserves, curbing the black market, and laying a strong digital foundation. These moves created the right environment for a successful float. Additionally, rumors suggest that several governments and institutions were already holding large stocks of dinar in anticipation of this move, adding further pressure to drive the value up. Looking at the broader picture, Iraq's increased contributions to the International Monetary Fund and its foreign currency reserves show strength. These reserves act as an economic buffer and help Iraq manage currency fluctuations, making it a more attractive partner for global trade. Other countries are even adding dinars to their reserve portfolios as part of diversification strategies, showing confidence in Iraq's long-term financial health. Still, there are challenges. Iraq must continue managing political tensions, improving infrastructure, and maintaining a transparent government. A floating currency is more sensitive to external shocks, like oil price swings or regional instability. That's why it's crucial for Iraqi leadership to stay the course with disciplined reforms and protective financial measures. For investors watching from abroad, this is both an exciting and critical moment. Foreign currency investments require research, risk awareness, and smart decision-making. Never invest more than you're willing to lose, and always follow official financial updates to stay informed. A diversified portfolio remains one of the best defenses against market volatility. The float also enhances Iraq's global trading capabilities. A realistic exchange rate makes exports more competitive and imports more affordable, creating a healthy trade environment. With the right support, Iraq could see a surge in international partnerships, job growth, and infrastructure improvements. However, all this depends on responsible governance and public education about the new systems. A major piece of this transformation is Iraq's shift toward a digital economy. From mobile banking to integrated payment systems, the country is stepping into the future. Digitalization improves efficiency, reduces fraud, and gives authorities better insight into financial trends. This tech-forward approach is helping stabilize the dinar and attract more investors. It's a critical element in Iraq. So, what's the bottom line? The Iraqi dinar's jump from $0.01 to $0.25 marks a pivotal moment. Iraq's economy is showing real signs of strength, and the world is beginning to take notice. Whether you're an investor, a citizen of Iraq, or just someone following the news, this is a moment that could redefine Iraq's financial future. Stay tuned to Iraqi Dinar News Updates for more insights and real-time coverage. Be informed, stay prepared, and make decisions with clarity as this story continues to unfold.